You know, we all have the same 1,440 minutes that we've always had in a day. But the problem is that many of us complain about them. Many of us complain about the lack of time that we have. And it seems as if, I don't know about you, but does it seem like time is just moving faster? Well, you know what? If time is moving faster for you and that's how you've been feeling lately, then that means, then here's something that maybe you didn't consider. That you are the pilot of your life. So if time is moving extra fast for you, that means that you need to step back and look at something in your life to make more time for you. So in this video, we're going to be looking at how to add more self-care into your life when you're too busy to be beautiful. So pay attention. The most important choice that we can make in life is what we make important. And one of the things that should be the most important in our life is how we feel about ourselves and allowing that to radiate from the inside out. So this video is sponsored by Luxe Luminous, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing today with you on how to infuse self-care into your life, even if you're too busy to be beautiful. So I just got this box in the mail, and this is from Luxe Luminous, and I'm really excited to open it. Come on, come on. I'm so excited already. I can't wait to open it. So come join me. So Luxe and Luminous, this is a quarterly subscription box by Black-owned businesses. And I just want to open this up to see what's all in it. I was so excited to get this and I got it. So I'm just going to put that aside. And so every quarter you will get a box, and in each box there's always something completely different. You see how to open this here. As you can see, it's a really big box, so I'm pretty sure it is loaded with lots of goodies. So there we go. So I'm really excited about seeing what's inside of this. And ooh, so if you see right there, I'm super excited because there's my welcome Luxe and Luminous, welcome to the club. Unlock all your box has to offer and connect with other amazing women in our online community. Join our Luxe and Luminous group on Facebook today and enter our launch contest for the chance to win prizes. And there is their Facebook group. So I'm just going to show you what is inside my box. And so I have a vegan-based liquid, strawberries and banana flavor. So this is a refreshing liquid if you're riding your bike. This would be perfect for you, or even to take along with you. There are a lot of natural flavors in it, and it's vegan based, so this is amazing. So I'm going to put that aside there. And then next we have, what is that? Oh, that is cute. Pancake and waffle mix. You know, there's no excuse for not eating in the morning. It really isn't, because there's this, I realize that a lot of times maybe you're not hungry and you're just not naturally used to eating in the morning, but you have to break your fast overnight. Your body goes through a fast, so you have to break that fast. So here's something to get you going from Vicky's Cakes, and these are this is great because I just picked up some ingredients to make me some waffles from scratch. So this is awesome. So I have that, and let's see what else we got here. Oh, that is so nice. I love this. This is beautiful. So miss your mood. Pure soothing comfort, lavender and chamomile. Okay, this is great because, you know, at night sometimes it's hard to just shut your thoughts off. You can spray this on your pillow or spray this around your sheet, and this will definitely lift your mood. So okay, we have that, and lavender is always a nice smell. This is perfect for if you are an exerciser or you work out, go to the gym. You can carry this water bottle. And the thing that I love about it is that you can put your smoothies in here, you can put water in here, and you see you have the measurements right on the side. So if you're making a smoothie and you want to put it right in there, you want to know exactly how much you're drinking, or if you have water, you can use this as a water container as well. This is really nice. I love that. And of course, you know, it's a really easy way to clip onto your bike, or you can clip onto your gym bag and take that along with you. And what else do we have here? Luxe Luminous magazine. This is our spring issue. Like I said, every quarter you get a different box. So this tells you a little bit about the company, how to get in touch with them, what's inside for the spring box, and also tells you a little bit about Vicky's cake. So it gives you the background on each person. I think this is beautiful because a lot of times we want to support Black-owned businesses, and you have to search around on Instagram or search around through social media just to find them, or maybe in your neighborhood. But this is a good way to support small businesses through on a quarterly basis, if that's what you would like to do. So this is the way to support small businesses intentionally. And in terms of lavender, you get an inside story on what exactly is lavender for and how does it help you to shut off your thoughts at night and actually go to sleep. So that is, I can't wait to try this tonight. I'm so excited about that. And this is, here's some recipes for your container when you start making your smoothies. So you have some variations on exactly what to put in your smoothies. Sometimes you're not sure what to put and you want to try something different instead of drinking the same thing every day. So this would give you a variety of what you can actually put in your smoothies daily. And then, of course, benefits of doing various different types of movement. You know, a lot of times we think movement or exercise must be weightlifting, but there are so many different types of movement that you can incorporate into your life, especially for a woman over 40 and over 50. I think this is just amazing. You don't have to be doing very vigorous exercises for your for the stage you're in right now, but you can do exercises that basically just get your body moving, and that is fun. And of course, there's some music that you can listen to. Just scan the code and you can listen on Spotify. So what else do we have here? Oh my goodness, there are so many goodies in here. I'm so excited about this. Look at this. Know yourself. 30 cards for self-exploration. I love this. This would be perfect for my retreat in August. And if you haven't applied for my retreat just yet, then I'm going to include the link below this video for my August 18th through the 21st retreat here in Chicago, and you can get an opportunity to come out with me and enjoy some time in Chicago, but at the same time infuse more glamour and chic and ignite your inner chic. So here, get to know yourself. So I'm definitely going to use this. And then next we have this box. I didn't realize it was going to be so much in this box. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to open up this right after I pull out some more items. So this is a exfoliating bath mitt. So I'm going to include the link below this video as well, where you can purchase this subscription box, quarterly subscription box. And I'm going to put two links below because you can check out which one which company you think you prefer to support for this quarter, or if you want to try both companies. So I'm going to include the link below this video. But this one is an exfoliating bath mitt. And this is beautiful because, you know, sometimes you just get that dead skin on your body. You just want to, you know, have that baby smooth skin. So this is really good for that. Okay. Who doesn't love an amazing pair of wrist weights and arm weights? So this is perfect. So if you're doing leg lifts, exercising your leg, of course you have some weights right here. I didn't realize there was so much in this box. And if you're washing your hair at night and you want to pull your hair back, of course you can pull it back and keep it back with this while you're washing your face, or even if you're working out. This is a satin headband, so this is really pretty as well. And then next we have, oh, that's cute. So these are some footies by Luxe Luminous. You can put those on maybe once you put some cream on your feet, and after you finish your exfoliating treatment, and after you put on some nice soothing lotion or cream on your legs. And of course you can put these socks on to socks or footies. You can put these on to keep your feet nice and smooth overnight or while you're walking around. This is a test. You can test this product out. This is a skin refining oil, a night oil with retinol and vitamin C and E. So skincare is extremely important, especially for melanin, for darker skin. So you definitely want to, any skin at all, but this particular box is made for women of color. So then you definitely want to scan this barcode, and the checkout code, you get 20% off of this. So you definitely want to make sure you check this out from absolutejoie.com. So this, the last item that we have, purple. Whenever I see purple, purple is just royalty all the way. And this is a beautiful purple. Oh, that's pretty. This is a satin robe. So this is really pretty. I'm not gonna try it on just yet, but I'll let you see it. This is a short satin robe. I'm not going to try it on just yet because I still have clothes on myself personally. But that is one item, and it also comes with a belt. So that's it in this box. So let me share this with you. This pendant signifies that you celebrate yourself and your progress today. That's exciting. So I just want to pull these cards out to show you exactly one of these cards here. The Know Yourself, 30 cards for self-exploration. Write down 5 things you're grateful for. So this complete box, this subscription box, allows you to not only infuse self-care into your life, but also journal some of your thoughts down. Things, a lot of times we just go through life and we're so busy that we don't stop to meditate and think about things that affect us, our blessings in life, and how far we've came. We always think about where we are, but we never stop to think about where we've came within the last 6 months or within the last year for that matter. So these cards are excellent to explore who you are, where you've been, but also give you some prompts to do. So for this one, spend 15 minutes in nature. So when you wake up in the morning, you can have your cards right next to your bed and do some self-exploration, or you can do this right before you go to bed at night. So I think these are amazing gifts. You've enjoyed unboxing with me the Luxe Luminous Collection. And Luxe Luminous is a subscription-based crate or collection of self-care items. So there are about 12 different items in each box or crate, and they are supplied by Black-owned businesses and creative designers. So make sure you support them. Give your support to Black-owned businesses, and you can do so. I'm going to include the link below this video. So the shipping is free. So once you purchase so if you pay for the year, it's $45 every quarter. If you pay for each quarter at a time, then it'll be $50. But shipping is free. And every quarter, there are different items inside of your self-care kits. So definitely make sure you go on and purchase that box of self-care items for yourself, because let's face it, we are never too busy to show ourselves self-love, to self-care, and we're never too busy to be beautiful. So until our next time together, stay beautiful and healthy.